Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Nature God Videos. Today let's make one of the Kerala's most loved evening snacks. Crispy, tasty and homemade Pazham Pori, also known as Ethakka Appam. Perfect with a hot cup of tea or coffee, especially during rainy weather. So let's get started. First, let's look at the ingredients. We need Kerala banana, also known as Nendran banana, Maida flour, a little turmeric powder, salt, sugar if needed, and some oil for frying. Simple ingredients, but the taste is absolutely amazing. So now take a mixing bowl, add around 4 tablespoons of Maida flour, then add a small pinch of turmeric powder for the beautiful golden color. Add a little salt and sugar if you prefer slight sweet. Generally, we don't use sugar, but if required, you can use it. Now, slowly add water little by little and mix everything well. Make a smooth batter without lumps. The consistency should be slightly thick so that the banana slices get coated nicely. Once the batter is ready, now let's prepare the bananas. So take two ripe Kerala bananas and cut them into long slices. Now add the banana slices into the batter and coat them well. So guys, let the banana rest in the batter for around 5 minutes. This helps the coating stick perfectly and gives a nice texture after frying. Meanwhile, place a pan on the stove and add enough oil for frying. Allow the oil to heat well. So once get heated, now Gently add the batter coated banana slices one by one into the hot oil. Be careful while placing them. Fry them on medium flame until both sides turn light golden brown and crispy. Look at that beautiful color, crispy outside and soft inside. The aroma itself is mouth-watering. Once perfectly fried, take them out and place on a plate. Beautiful golden color, wonderful aroma. It's really mouth-watering. Repeat the same process until all the banana slices are fried. And our delicious Kerala special Pazham Pori is now ready to serve. Hot, crispy, soft and super tasty. A perfect homemade evening snacks with no unwanted ingredients added. Enjoy this amazing snack with tea or coffee during rainy evenings. Simple, traditional and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tasty homemade recipes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.